akayimba kangako nakayimba nnyo.
Give us.
Luliwe wali mu studio. This was his song.
Give us.
I actually forgot the lyrics.
Ochitako ogenda kunjokya. Ate nga nabagambye gwe asinga gwe nninawo. Gwe.
Nenga biri bitya.
Brunette Official is in the building, 106.5. This is Energy Circle, Zamzayan the Lion, and DJ VX Faizo, and we have the baddest Brunette. Brunette kachiko kuba upcoming wavaako. Oli star.
Nesibanga ka upcoming.
Waliwo omuntu yenna ng'atandika aba upcoming.
Nesibanga ka upcoming.
Anze nali ka upcoming nga nkya nkoloba MC
Nesibanga ka upcoming. I've never been an upcoming.
Watandika oli superstar.
Yeah.
Celeb. No, by the way, I agree with him. Superstardom, being a star is a mindset. See you?
Yeah.
Kale, am I superstar in a mindset and in a normal life? You're now among the top artists that are out there. Abayimbinga never tetaka kuyimba sente yingi. That's what kama. I would like to say, but the new generation upcoming what's that one artist whose sound you're listening to and you're like, this is different from the sound that's happening right now?
I like the guy called hello guy.
What's the song?
Yeah, Victor is
Cohen.
I love that guy.
Cohen.
I like this guy. Waliwo guy omunyankolo yani. What's that?
Riyonga.
Enopate yani, that's
Wonder. I like that guy. I like that guy Joshua Baraka.
Oh nana baby.
Abo bolabanga kitubagena kitambuza wagulu.
Balina okukola ennyo. Balina okukola ennyo. Si bayimba bulungi. We appreciate their work. Ezaze mbaga ndi fani waabwe. Njagala nnyo omuyimbi gwe bamuyita Final. Omanyi?
Runs to go Final.
Mu Nigeria, mu Uganda.
Faizo, play for us, Ko.
There is other conversation that was going on social media. Ngabagamba DJs do not play 90% Ugandan music.
Yeah, they don't.
Now check it is
Yeah, they don't.
Why is it the case? Why don't DJs play Ugandan music?
Bayina ensonga zaabwe. Naye n'abayimbi abamu olumu tebalina music atanyuma.
Mukubira akade. Actually, yes.
So,
oli ku point here.
So kyengamba olimba olulungi bajja luzanya. That's what I believe in. Me, I can't force a DJ to play my song. What alwagadde yamanyi. Naye nga what I know, if you make a good song, of course they will play it. So
that's it. If it's a good song, it will be played.
You did make a collaboration of Bunkloga, what they already doing Barukande. No Fulumia new version, yali remix. Many would have thought you would have jumped on a new track with the artist that you made the collaboration with, because it was a great opportunity. Why did you choose like an old song to make a remix of? And Bunkloga was a hit. It's still a hit.
I have a song. We have a song
with them already.
Yeah, I have songs with them. It's gonna come on my album.
When?
It's ready.
When is it dropping?
I'm dropping it after my concert. Actually, on my concert.
Okay, now for concert. Let's talk music. You're gonna make a concert?
Yeah, I'm making a concert.
You're gonna cricket over.
Njabagamba.
Is it gonna be a one-man, one-show Brunette official concert?
Of course, one man, one show.
Do you think you have the music to do that?
Of course I do have the music. I have the music. And I have the fans.
I like the sound of that.
I have the music.
You do have the music, but it also depends on your fan base.
Me, I'm ready to do a concert, and I'm going to do it, and it will be successful.
I mean,
superstar.
Grenade, I want to ask you, how many tattoos do you have? I see.
So many.
How many? Do you know how many you have off the top of your head? If you were to guess a number, 5, 10, 15, 20.
I have many.
Hey. Why?
Brunette, men and women, who cheats the most?
Hey, Tanya.
gwe abakazi bachitinga.
You have made Faizo the happiest man in this studio. No, wapi alimba.
Gwe olaba nze kyemmanyi ngazi. Abakazi muti.
Would you rather do the cheating or be cheated on?
I'd rather do the cheating.
Okay, let me ask you.
That's why me, my girls, my girl. Tasobola kuncheating ako. Because I'm a full package, you know.
10 over 10 minus.
Always.
What would you?
Always I make sure I'm satisfied. You get me?
Yeah, so for you're checking off everything.
Money there. Quichi there.
Respect.
Do you think money matters in a relationship?
No, listen. Money there. Bulichimu there. Care there. Ustegede. Quichi there. Ustegede. Like, you know where we ustegede.
Would you date a broke woman?
To be honest, yeah.
No, Faisal, come you sit, we interview you.
Would you date a broke woman, Brunette? Ngataina sent. Love
is love. For real.
Tumale.
Energy
Radio.